What's up guys, Daily Driven FP6 here, and in today's video I'm going to be installing LED rear reflectors on my 2015 Civic Si. Let's get into it. So I'm going to be installing the kit from iJDMTOY.com. It's about 40 bucks on Amazon, and they look pretty solid, I think. So let's get these on the car. So these are all the tools you're going to need. You're going to need some string or wire, something to fish the wiring up through the small gaps, wire strippers and wire crimpers, side cutters, pliers, flashlight, and something to pry off the old reflectors with. So once you get the reflectors pried off, it's time to access the taillights. Then you're going to want to unplug this top connector, because we'll need to tap into this to power our new LEDs. So we'll just want to match up our new reflectors to our old reflectors, make sure we got them in the right orientation. So then what we're looking to do is pass the wiring through this little hole right here. All right, so you got to get through so that you can pull it. So the right side of the reflector goes in first. You just kind of angle it in, pop her in, there we go. Then you're going to want to get the wiring to go up and around and into this hole right here where your pressure relief vent is. This is the final install. You just peel back the carpet, get the wires up through the pressure relief flapper, tap them in. You go red to green, white to red, and then black to black on both sides. You're gonna wanna tap those into the topmost brake light. That's gonna look the same on both sides. And just make sure you secure your wiring, and then you're good to go.